What up guys, my name is Eric and this is Racing Ram Fam, and today we are going to be washing the beautiful f600 7.3 powerstroke swapped diesel truck that I own and is now for sale. So we are going to wash this guy, bring it to the North St. Paul car show, look at some cars, do a little driving around footage. So yeah guys, so stay tuned, check it out. We're going to just kind of do a little bit of a video montage of driving this beast around. But if you guys are interested in this truck, please DM me on Instagram or Facebook at Racing Ram Fam. Again, it's a 1976 f600 with a 96 7.3 liter power stroke. So yeah, we are going to get to washing this truck because it is filthy and I don't think I've washed it for about a year.
Oh man, don't wake me. Please don't wake me from my daydream.
Look,
Oh man, don't
there's
wake
more to
me.
life.
Please don't wake me from my daydream.
Wouldn't it be nice, get some ice on my wrist? Wouldn't it be nice having fun where I live? Wouldn't it be nice, bright house in the hills? Wouldn't it be nice all night, counting bills? Oh man, don't wake me. Please don't wake me from my daydream. Oh man, don't wake me. Please don't wake me from my daydream. Wouldn't it be nice, get some ice on my wrist? Wouldn't it be nice having fun where I live? Wouldn't it be nice, bright house in the hills? Wouldn't it be nice all night, counting bills? Oh man, don't wake me. Please don't wake me from my daydream. Oh man, don't wake me. Please don't wake me from my daydream. My mind changed like big bills and small payments. If I want this thing, my life gon' need arranging. Kill the BS, now move on to money making. Chances taken, shows how to achieve greatness. All the basics basically got their time wasted. Either wasted or posing with duck faces. When I'm chosen, I'm leaving frozen with stuck faces. Pedals moving, feel like I'm going right out the basement. I'm improving and growing, showing I got a movement. Never losing, I'm young, son, I got the blueprints. I'm gonna fake it until I make it right to the top. Then I'll be able to take it.
It's not on the yellow curb, it's over the yellow curb, so I think that's legal.
People jumping and standing on tippy toes. Now these the thoughts that just be running through my mind. They dreaming about the future gave me chills up in my spine. And I knew since the first day I learned to rhyme that I'ma make it. So until that is true, then I'm on the grind. Because
wouldn't it be nice, get some ice on my wrist? Wouldn't it be nice having fun where I live? Wouldn't it be nice, bright house in the hills? Wouldn't it be nice all night, counting bills? Oh man, don't wake me. Please don't wake me from my daydream. Oh man, don't wake me. Please don't wake me from my daydream.
Do you want me to get the exhaust?
I parked above it, so I thought I kind of passed that rule. Alright guys, we just got done from the North St. Paul car show. We got told by some old lady that this truck is stinky and she doesn't like it, and I just told her thank you, but that was kind of funny. We had a lot of people interested in buying it. If you're interested in buying it, hit me up, DM me on either Instagram or Facebook at Racing Ram Fam, just like the YouTube channel. Please consider subscribing, share the video, like the video. As always guys, keep it boosted, and we'll see you guys next time.